Maya nĩ matigari manene cia mwaki ũrĩa ũrokire kũhobaniria nduka ya wendia wa indo cia mbaũ ya Modern Furniture mwena wa Ruiru. Kũringana na kamanda wa borithi mwena wa Ruiru Alex Shikondi, kwahoteka mwaki ũyũ ũcũngĩrĩirio nĩ thĩna wa thitima ona gũtuĩka ũthuthuria nĩ wambĩrĩirie.
During the incident there was some welding work going on, and during the night, as from 11 p.m. we had a blackout which resumed at the power resumed at around 6:00 hours, and this is exactly what happened. The incident happened at that time. So maybe we suspect it might have been related to the blackout and the works that were being done.
Mwene Ndukaini Gibson Murage atariria ati gutiri mundu gurarire hindi ya mutino ũyũ ona gutuĩka indo cia mũigana wa shilingi milioni 50 ni ithukangirio.
Hiyo ndio production, kuonesha mashini zimeungua, ndio production yenye huanga inafanyia branch zile zingine zote zenye tuko nazo, na ndio bado inafanyia production duka ya Nairobi, na ndio imeungua. So ni kama tumeguzwa mahali kunafaa, tumeguzwa mahali mbaya sana, sababu hiyo ndio source ya kila kitu.
Gari cia kuhoria mwaki ni cikinyirie nduka-inĩ ĩno ona ihenya na kurigĩrĩria mwaki ũyũ gũtherema kinyagia nduka-inĩ ingĩ.
We want to tell people, when such an incident happens, it's not a time for you to get free things. You come and steal properties that are worth money. It's not good. First thing, think of saving your lives, think of saving that other person's life.
We shall do investigations, and whoever will be caught with anything from this Pacific Furniture will be arrested and action will be taken. So I urge those who might have taken advantage of the incident to return all stolen properties to the owner.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Waduro.